guys.
We
back.
are back, guys.
We've been exploring Dubai.
It's munch time, guys.
This time we're going to a mukbang style seafood restaurant.
And it's so lit up and it's just so beautiful. It's gonna be amazing. Hey!
Love to live life. Just live.
Yeah. This is Carl. Hi. Guys, they're setting our table. Oh. RJ's at it again. We're going all out, guys. We're really, really hungry today. Although we had a big lunch, we're still hungry. Oh, chicken skin, guys.
Guys, this is going to be a mad munch up. They've got everything.
I think it's going to be one of my favourites already.
Oh wow! Check it out, 1 litre. Look in jars.
Huge, guys. Check it out.
We already tasted this before. One. Is that the blue bubble or something like that? Oh, thank you. So although this is a seafood restaurant, because you know chicken skin is the way forward. Check it out, it's got peppers and
One thing I
onions
can't
on it.
see.
But we're gonna go for a taste test.
I'm going to dig in, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna get full on this.
Let's stick it in. Oh! The best chicken skin I have ever had in my
The
life.
best.
And I am not exaggerating, guys. This is delicious.
If you haven't tasted crispy chicken skin,
You're missing out. What are you doing? What are you
they
eating,
do these
guys?
in England, make sure you do it. We get so excited when we see crispy chicken skin.
But these ones are the best. I've never had chicken skin like this. You know that, RJ?
In Dubai, chicken skin seems to be very thin, like super thin. When you fry them, they crisp up anyway, even without being dehydrated.
Chicken skin, guys. Hey!
Come and see Chris. He's the main guy here, and he's going to look after you guys. It's truly an experience to eat here. And the name is Dampa.
Dampa, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Promise you here in Dampa, never a dull moment here.
I'm appreciating this food after.
The drinks are so delicious. Just enjoying this moment, guys.
Ready for it?
Oh, it's coming, guys. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They just dump it on the table. Oh, check out that lobster. Oh, that is big. Look at that lobster.
Ah.
Shrimp? Oh, yes.
Oh my
Oh, yes.
God.
Nice.
Oh.
I don't...
Ah. Oh.
Check it out. Oh my God, it just keeps coming. Oh yes. Oh, thank you. That's the squid. Oh yes. So we got the corns. We got the whole tilapia. And then there's pieces of it, fillets. Here you've got crab. Shrimps. Look how big they are. The lobster.
Lobster.
Look how huge that lobster is. Then you got more crab here. More shrimp. And here you have deep fried squid.
Here you have your gloves
Put some gloves on.
and your tissues because it's getting dirty.
To smash the crab.
Okay, let's do this. Looking juicy.
You got gloves to do it. Oh, check out all that flavor on here. All that crispy garlic in that Cajun sauce. Look at the coriander. Lift the head off. Head is off. Yeah.
Is the head going in,
I
RJ?
saw the other table suck the head out.
Oh God.
Oh my God, too much flavor in that.
Oh yeah.
So delicious. Take off some of the legs, and then I'm gonna have the skin, super thin skin.
Oh, he's loving that. Absolutely
A
loving
bit
that.
of rice. Got a bit of that rice. I'm gonna go in with my hands for lobster.
I can
Whip out.
indeed.
Look at that succulent piece of crab. I'm gonna dip it in that Cajun sauce. It's pure fleshy. Apparently they caught it today.
Oh my god, it melts in your mouth.
Oh, I feel like I can feel that right now. What you're feeling right now, RJ.
It's so cooked to perfection. Where normally lobster can be a bit chewy, super soft. Tilapia, take some of that off. I'm gonna have to mix it with a bit of the Cajun rice, like that.
Oh,
That's garnish.
you know how much RJ loves the garnish, guys?
I love it. You know this little squiggly bit you see?
Okay, I couldn't see
Dunk
that.
it in.
Ah,
All up. You know? That just came apart.
oh yeah,
No pulling.
oh yeah. He loved it so much, guys.
I'm doing it with my hand. You can see nice thick piece of squid. But this time, I'm gonna go dip in somewhere. Going into this dip here.
Oh,
It's like I've never seen food before. That's how excited I am.
he's loving that right
I'm
now.
biting on the crispy garlic. That's Cajun again. We went all in Cajun. Some lemon on all of it.
Oh yeah.
The best part is there's no plates, so you can do whatever you want. You can handle whatever you want. You touch
Oh my god, RJ. He's gone crazy, guys.
whatever you want.
You know what happens to RJ? RJ and the food.
Squeeze a lemon there.
Okay.
Hold up.
Okay. You take some of the legs off.
You're disabling the shrimp.
Don't say that.
Oh, you gotta see how slim. Oh, that skin is so wafer thin. That shrimp skin is so wafer thin. You don't have to even peel it.
That is just amazing. Add it in with some rice, guys.
Oh wow. Have it with the lobster. Rip out some lobster.
It's insane, guys. This is delicious. Oh.
Oh yes, go on. How creamy is that? So tender.
This literally melts in your mouth, guys. Oh.
Pure quality, I have to say. Okay, so I'm going for the crab. Still so much meat on there.
Love it.
It's so delicious.
The fish is swimming to you. Oh, look at
So many shrimp.
wafer thin.
Yeah.
Like that.
I'm having this. What is this? Chris? Is it mate?
That's tartar sauce.
Because here we can make a mess.
The idea is getting messy, guys. That's the idea.
Everything goes when you eat,
There's no rules,
no boundaries.
no boundaries. You want to be an animal, you can be an animal.
And you know me and RJ, guys, we are animals when it comes to food. Check out me with my rice. No judging, right, guys? Don't judge.
This is the process. We have to follow the process, isn't it? If you come to Dubai and you don't taste this,
You're crazy.
you just missed out on the biggest opportunity.
Oh yeah. RJ's just making a mess everywhere, guys. She's just leaving everything everywhere.
They said that's a must.
Are we doing a mukbang? Oh, this is a mukbang, guys. But for mukbangs, they have the mics, RJ.
Huh?
They can't hear what we're eating.
Sorry guys, we don't have that mic. You can just imagine the sound if you can't hear us.
You know us, we're late eaters, and we're kind of the last ones still here. Right, RJ?
We have to be. We have to appreciate more than others.
Can I just say one thing though, guys? The Cajun sauce here is so delicious that, I'm being honest, RJ, you don't even need any of the meat. You can just have the Cajun sauce with the rice, and it's so delicious. It's just
And the jasmine rice is cooked to perfection.
so nice to top.
You know what the best part is, yeah? What they do is, they take most of the fish off the tilapia. They make it little fillets and do them separate.
which I am loving.
Then they give you the rest of the fish deep fried, where it still has fish on it, but you
So
can
crispy.
just have it like that.
To see how flaky that was, guys? Flaky. RJ, should I remove your rubbish?
No,
Because you know what RJ is
I like
doing?
it like
he
this.
is literally just eating and dropping. Eating and dropping.
So it becomes
All
man.
my remaining bits are here.
See, that's too polite. It's man versus food.
And this, check out my area, guys. How lovely and clean is this? And RJ's, oh, how can you eat
Bravo.
like that? Okay, let's tidy you up a bit.
I can't get
Tidy
over
you
these
up,
chicken
RJ.
skins.
RJ, are you still munching?
Yeah.
Did you eat this? I didn't eat this.
Yeah. Crab claw is my favourite part. Oh my god, you
RJ,
know,
is that my sweat or is that my highlighter?
it's sweat. Look, I got highlight.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. I thought you were going to say, ooh, boom.
They got old school here. Instead of giving you the cutters, they give you a fat skull.
Oh, yeah.
Pause
Don't want it
crack
to
now.
splat all over my face. We know how
Oh,
RJ's like.
Yep.
Too considerate.
One time.
Isn't it, RJ? Too
Yeah,
considerate.
yeah. One time what I did was I went crack and it went all
Yeah,
over
on
her
my
face.
face. Lovely, isn't it? Just lovely.
So you gotta eat. For every price there's a sacrifice.
Sacrifice
Oh.
on my expense. And I should do that.
God.
I'm not even hungry anymore, guys. I am super stuffed right now. I'm sweating so much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look where it goes, guys. Oh, it's not focused. It went straight down here, guys. Honey, the rubbish corner is here.
Oh, serious? Oh, thank you. See how
Enjoy
lovely.
your food. Don't
He's
worry.
amazing.
You see how lovely
He's
Chris
amazing.
is? He's saying they already closed, but he goes, we can stay another hour.
We are going to be considering
Oh, I'm crabbed out. All them flavors, put it on the rice. Yeah. Then
making
what
a
I
little
do
ball of it.
in my mouth, break off this, take it apart. Yeah.
He's just going all in, guys. Oh yeah.
And then wrist man.
Ah, guys,
crab
look,
attack,
look,
crab attack. We gain snatchers, so you don't eat me, I eat you. So you find another crab piece. This just keeps going on. Even after multiple pieces, you can still keep going here.
Hi, good evening. This is the best seafood restaurant in Dubai.
Okay, guys, we are going to show you what's left on the food now. Oh yeah. Oh, all of RJ's mess, guys. All going
You know we
in together.
Wraps, that's how you have a wrap.
That's how you have a wrap, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to say bye to you because I am like sweating non-stop, dude.
Yeah. Go.
But great food, guys, here at Dampa. Thank you very much to Chris, Carl, and the team. You guys were absolutely amazing. Your service was
Spot on.
superb. The food was just exceptional.
We're gonna give you very first time a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. RJ, show us
we
the
haven't
card.
found one
Show us the
fault.
card. 10 out of 10. That's what you get. You guys need to get to Dubai, get to Dampa.
And get tucked into the table.
So this is the team, guys.
Hi, the team.
We are amazing.
There's the last man standing because the others have gone.
Big thanks, guys. Thank you so much for making this absolutely amazing. Food was great.
You guys are truly the best, and all you guys must come and see
Visit
these
this
guys
place.
because they will. What did you say? There's never a
Dull moment.
There you go.
And if you like this video, please
Subscribe. Don't subscribe, you're not human.
And one more